Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kabor Sinsha District Jong West Jingeh Hills haka khat artrik leber kalap nong daga DC connect na kabenta ki Shnong ki bahap mapo ka thatla skein si ana di blong ha office thatla skein blong kani ka DC connect kalong ban ai ka ransan ni kinong yalam Shnong ban Ïakren markmat bat ki officer na kitana trikam ba per bat ban ra ki mat ki bedei bat ki Shnong jongki haga Jingkran pli u deputy commissioner u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS Ulapan pau be kani karan san la thau ban pensuk ya ka Ïakren hapdeng ki noyalam Shnong bat kitana trikam ba per hak bala ban pen pau be ki Jingeh bat ka jubab bala ai da ki he sarkar ki badi pen ulo ongru ba kani ka sin jam bala shim da ki bor pen district kathmu ban ailat ni ki Paidbah ban ai jingmut bat ki Jingeh ba ki kendu hal ki Shnong ki thau ula ban rabru ba kani ka program kani rabru ya ka bor Sinsha district ban smooth ho khamphai ki Jingdonkam bat ki Jingeh jong ki Paidbah UDC ulang shushu bala dadon kinu ki kam ki badan kam banwan ra shaka jingtip jong ka sarkar kani ka rinsan kan longkum kalan kaba ki bor Sinsha district kinla ban ajing kershan ban jingaram dak bekentu ya baro ban penan kam hok ya ka kabu wabina ula penpau ya jingshanya baki he officer ki badan lang kin penbet ya ki Jingeh ki bala penpau ula pentikna ba an sa shim ki mat ki bala ban penbet mardor kat bai ki wipat ki mat an pentikna ban penbet bha Hagani ke program kino yalam Shnong kila penpau perthaya ki mat ba per ki bakta yala ga Jong ka Shnong kinthop ki Jingeh ki bedei bar ka roi ka par bar ka jingshakri Paidbah ki he ana kitanat ba per ki bladan lang kila jubab ki jingkali bat a jingshai halor ki mat ba kila penpau napding ki bladan lang ki long ka additional deputy commissioner ka kong bibla MCS u BDO ka thatla skein u Dr. Hemon Minyang ka assistant commissioner LBR marak MCS na lor ki officer
It is on the similar lines how our Honorable Chief Minister Sir conducts the program, wherein he interacts with all the people from the village representatives as well as the village people with all the line departments, where the concerns are aired directly through this platform and the answers are given directly by the concerned department officials. So on the similar lines, it is an effort by the district administration which is taken forward. So wherein you can air out your suggestions, your opinions, all the problems, or whatever you are facing in the village, if there is anything which is to be brought to the notice of the government, though we could be of any help to you. So utilize this particular moment to make the maximum out of it, ask as many questions as possible within the specified time frame, and I am sure that all the officials who are present in here would be able to resolve your queries. If not, then yes, definitely we try to escalate to make sure that your grievances are addressed.
Nrei ni khot khliat soi ni Shnong la marba ngin dubio la magadek sin banin kong ko ngin hap ngin hap te bunu bat ni ya tade